Welcome back, it's me Donnie, back here at Excellent Rides working on a car again. My uncle got moved his car out of the old garage today. Yeah, this thing's actually out. I think he's gonna get rid of it. It wasn't there, but as you can see, it's he's wanting to fix this. Removed from its resting place after 26 years. What the? Alright, so today I'm going to be cleaning this up. So this way here we could hopefully within the next few days put this in the car. So let's get to it. Alright, so that's all nice and ground down for the most part, minus little teeny spots that I really can't get to because of the angle. But this is cleaned up. So now what I'm going to do is I have a spare. I have some metal that I got from the dumpster at work. I'm not a dumpster diver, just it was right there at the top. And I'm like, I could use that. I cut a little bit too much apparently. And so I'm going to cut a nice piece so that this way it could go right here, so this way we can weld it into the car. So I just want to point out, I do read the few comments that I do get on the videos, and I took some good advice because I realized, gee, that's kind of smart. Went and bought myself a nice angle grinder, so I'm going to be using that to cut this today. There we go. I want to say thank you for who mentioned this because good lord, that works good. I'm just going to cut this side as well as a just in case. I think I have found my new favorite tool. Forget the die grinder. It's all about the angle grinder now. Yes. Now it's time to take my new favorite tool and cut that where it's marked. Grab it by the rust. Oh, it's hot. There we go. Rusted pieces out. So now let's get to finalizing some stuff to make it so that this is weldable. It's all nice and cleaned up. I am tired. Believe next we're gonna be trying to weld the pieces I cut off, or I'm gonna guess it's probably gonna be this one just because it's a lot longer. And I believe he meant that we were gonna have it like this, so this way we can actually have this piece where my finger is welded up to the inside of that panel, and then actually put it in the car. Now let me just add this piece to the little pile I've had going of rusty little pieces that we've cut out.
Too long, you'll burn through.
Oh, fuck.
That's the one where you start that.
Alright, so don't forget me tomorrow, right? You have to bring that thing up. Okay. Alright, I see you, buddy. You take care, alright?
Yep. See you, Reggie. Not all the way in, but it's just so hot, humid, and it's been such a long day. I've dealt with a lot that it's like 75% in. We need to give that spot some heat, push it down, then weld it up there and through them spots. In the meantime of not welding, not too long ago I got these Hotchkiss lower control arms for the rear end for free. They were used, as you can see by how these look. Bushings are still absolutely phenomenal on these, and this is actually cleaner than they were. They looked a lot worse, but Uncle was here and he had a power washer he was buying from a friend, and I'm like, shit, why don't I clean these up? And I did, and I think the next thing I'm gonna do is either hit these with the sandblaster or just put some paint thinner on these, because I'm thinking take all the old red off, because I don't want to put these in the car looking like this. I'm thinking get a spray can of like dark blue, so this way if someone looks under the car, they kind of stick out, almost like how some of the old school stuff would have been done, like how guys would paint their diff covers gold and whatnot, because that's the whole look I'm trying to go for, or the look and the vibe I'm trying to go with this car is old school, given it's going to have turbo 4-cylinder power for now. And because I got those lower control arms, I also decided to get a set of upper control arms with bolts for $60 off Amazon that look similar, that I'm also going to paint the dark blue, because otherwise it's just the 42-year-old original ones in the car, and the bushings are probably completely shot. I don't remember. And I got a set of free lowers and $60 uppers, so that's pretty good.
When you hear that steady like that, that's good. When it's popping a lot, that's a problem. Good.
Yeah, it's not that great.
Keep coming up this side.
Yep.
Keep coming up this side. Bzz, 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 all the way up to the corner. And then, you know, do a nice one in the corner.
Yep.
You did good over here. Tack it there. Keep coming right across. When we get over to the corner over here, that's where we're going to have to get the torch, because we're going to have to get the torch and push that to this piece, and the same thing down here.
Yep.
And then we'll get underneath and we'll do what we got to do with that piece with the torch.
Yep.
Ooh, that one burned straight through. I don't like that. So, I didn't get this on camera, but what we just did was we got the torch out, heated this section up right here, so this way we could get it closer to the other piece that we had put in. And right now, I am about to tack right over there.
Ow.
It is by absolutely no means perfect, and it doesn't bother me one bit, because that was all rust before and now it's nice clean metal. Given, yes, there's still that right there, and that needs to get cut out, but that's a much smaller section, and that will be dealt with. But for now, that's good. I mean, given that's gonna get pushed down and welded. So to finish this off, this is welded in. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind these down. I didn't have the time today. I got some personal things going on, but filled in them holes as you saw. Basically just built up booger on booger on booger on booger, and then now I'm gonna grind those down. Next step is gonna be cutting this out, cutting that out, and already got it marked out for the driver's side. Still cut this piece out because I looked, these holes are exactly the same, and this is the one that we need, and I'm like, well, you know, we just need the one layer, and this is one layer, so cut it out. And so that's the plan. That'll be for the next video. It's very hot, humid. I'm done for the day. Like and subscribe if you have not already. Tune in next time when that gets taken care of. Oh yeah, in the meantime, while I was dealing with Welding over the past decent amount of days, he robbed this car of all of its brand new front suspension and disc brake setup because he has another 56 Ford. My uncle has another 56 Ford that's like turnkey drivable, and he said, oh, you know, this one has all brand new front suspension and it's disc brake, let me grab that.